You are standing in front of the mirror, staring at that one stubborn mark that just will not fade. Maybe it is a reminder of a clumsy kitchen moment or the aftermath of a breakout that took a turn for the worse. Usually, the solution involves sticky, tacky gels that never seem to dry or bulky silicone sheets that peel off the moment you move. That is the exact frustration the Prequel Scar Stick aims to solve. This thing looks like a simple lip balm, but it is actually a concentrated delivery system for medical-grade silicone. Doctors call silicone the gold standard for a reason. It creates a breathable protective barrier over the skin. This barrier locks in hydration and regulates how your body produces collagen. When your skin feels protected, it stops overreacting. It stops building up thick, raised tissue. The genius here is not just the science but the delivery. You just swipe it on and go about your day. There is no mess. There is no waiting for it to dry before you put on your shirt or your makeup. Because it is so easy to use, you are actually much more likely to use it every single day. That is the secret sauce of scar healing. Consistency is everything. You cannot just use a treatment once or twice and expect results. You have to commit to the process for 8 to 12 weeks. That sounds like a long time, but a quick swipe in the morning and at night makes it feel effortless. Inside that little tube, you also get onion bulb ferment to tackle redness. There is Centella asiatica to help the skin repair itself and bisabolol to keep things calm. It is a multi-pronged attack on texture and tone. Now, we have to be honest about the limits. This is not a magic wand. If you are dealing with deep, pitted acne scars or very severe keloids, a stick might not be enough. You might need professional treatments like lasers or microneedling for those deep structural changes. This stick is designed for surface level smoothing and fading. It is for those fresh scars that are still in the healing phase. It is also a very small container. You only get about 5 or 6 grams of product. If you are trying to cover a large area, you will run out quickly. However, for targeted sports, it is incredibly efficient. Real users often say they prefer the feel of this over any gel they have tried before. It feels like high-quality skincare rather than a messy medical treatment. It is a legitimate tool backed by real dermatology. It is not a miracle, but it is a very smart way to manage how your skin heals. If you want to fade those marks without the hassle of traditional methods, this is a solid choice. It turns a chore into a simple habit. You just have to be patient enough to let the silicone do its work over time. Small, daily wins eventually lead to clear, smooth skin. Just remember that skin takes its own sweet time to regenerate. You are working with your body here, not against it. That 60% silicone concentration is doing the heavy lifting while you just go about your business. It is a portable, reliable companion for anyone who has ever felt self-conscious about a mark. Whether it is a surgical line or a scrape from a weekend hike, this little stick has you covered. It is about making the healing process as invisible as possible while getting the best possible outcome. Keep it in your bag, keep it on your nightstand, and just keep swiping. Your future self will thank you for the diligence. It is one of those rare products that actually respects your time while providing clinical results. No fuss, no sticky fingers, just better skin.